Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Mr. coffee maker and it's giving you an Ec4 error and you need to get rid of it and get your coffee brewing again because your machine might not be working in that if you're getting the error. So a couple things. The first thing to do is just to try resetting the coffee maker. So depending on the specific model you have, the buttons will be in different spots. But there'll be a brew later button and a brew button. And so if you find both of them and you press and hold them simultaneously, it will reset the coffee maker and that will clear out the error. Now the error might come back or you might get a different error. So one of the things you also want to do is once you do this reset is to brew coffee, but instead of putting water in the reservoir, put vinegar in the reservoir because that will descale the machine, and a lot of the calcium buildup, the mineral buildup throughout the all the hoses and everything like that can make things not function properly. So once you've descaled it, then you can try to run water through it just to clear all that vinegar out so you're not drinking vinegar in your coffee. And you might need to reset it again after that, but hopefully that should clear out the error and get your coffee maker working again. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.